Making big money on Bingx. Crypto copy trading tips and tricks. You won't believe these crazy crypto copy trading secrets that can change your life forever. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. I've got some extra special goodies in store that you're not gonna want to miss. So sit tight, grab a snack, and let's dive deep into the world of crypto copy trading on Bingx. This is gonna be a wild ride, folks, so strap in and get ready to make some serious bank. Hey there, folks. It's your boy Ryan, and I'm back with another banger of a video that's gonna blow your mind. Today, we're gonna be talking all about making some serious dough on the crypto exchange Bingx using the power of copy trading. Now, I know what you're thinking. Crypto copy trading? That sounds like some complicated mumbo-jumbo. But trust me, once you see what I've got in store, you'll be lining up to get in on the action. You see, I've been in the crypto game for a minute now, and I've seen it all. The highs, the lows, the wild swings that can make your head spin. But through it all, I've learned a thing or two about how to navigate these murky waters and come out on top. And one of the most powerful tools I've discovered is the art of copy trading. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't copy trading just for the big shot traders and Wall Street hotshots? Well, let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Copy trading is for anyone and everyone who wants to get in on the crypto action without having to be a full-time trading genius. Here's the deal with copy trading on Bingx: you can literally piggyback off the trades of the best and brightest crypto traders out there. Yup, that's right. You can tap into their expertise and let them do all the heavy lifting while you sit back and watch the profits roll in. It's like having your own personal crypto mentor, but without the hefty price tag. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I even get started with this whole copy trading thing? Well, my friends, that's where I come in. I'm gonna break it all down for you, step by step, so you can start raking in the dough in no time. First things first, you gotta get yourself set up on the Bingx exchange. Now, I know there's a ton of crypto exchanges out there, but let me tell you, Bingx is where it's at. Not only do they have top-notch security and a user-friendly platform, but they also offer some killer features when it comes to copy trading. When you sign up for Bingx, and remember, use the referral code 911 to get some extra perks, you'll be able to browse through a huge library of successful traders and copy their every move. It's like having a crystal ball into the minds of the crypto elite, and trust me, it's a game changer. But it's not just about blindly copying anyone and everyone. Nah, you gotta be strategic about it. That's where my expertise comes in. I'm gonna show you how to spot the true rock stars of the crypto world, the ones who consistently bring home the bacon. We're talking traders with proven track records, solid risk management strategies, and a keen eye for the market. And let me tell you, the profits you can rake in with copy trading are no joke. I'm talking about potential returns in the triple digits, people. Imagine turning a measly $1,000 investment into $10,000 or even more. It's like printing your own money, but without the risk of doing it yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I screw it all up? What if I choose the wrong traders to copy? Well, my friends, that's where the beauty of Bingx really shines. They've got a ton of tools and features to help you minimize your risk and maximize your gains. For starters, you can set your own risk parameters so you can control exactly how much you're willing to put on the line. You can also diversify your portfolio by copying multiple traders so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And let's not forget about the advanced analytics and performance tracking tools that Bingx offers, so you can always keep a close eye on your investments. But the real magic happens when you start diving into the nitty-gritty of copy trading strategy. That's where I really shine, folks. I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks that the pros use to consistently come out on top. We're talking about things like identifying the right trading signals, managing your leverage, and even taking advantage of market volatility to squeeze out every last drop of profit. And let me tell you, the potential is truly limitless. I've seen people go from zero to hero in the blink of an eye simply by harnessing the power of copy trading on Bingx. It's like having a cheat code for the crypto market, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. So, what are you waiting for, folks? It's time to stop watching from the sidelines and start getting in on the action. Head over to Bingx, sign up using the referral code 911, and let's start stacking those Benjamins. Trust me, your future self is gonna thank you.